Hello children, in this video we are going to study EVS chapter number 9, Changing Families. Now children, in the last video you saw the changes in the Serings family due to transfer in job. They all were very happy as Sering's father got promotion. But Sering father, mother and grandparents were slightly anxious as they had to make all the arrangements in the new town. Children, when you transfer to a new town, you have to change your schools. You have to search for a new house. And there are many challenges to move to a new place with a family. Now children, what will change in Sering's family after his father's transfer? For example, who from Sering's family will live with his father at the new place? Now children, Sering, his sister and his mother will live with his father at a new place. Which school will Sering go to now? Sering will go to a new school now. Will he have new friends there? Yes, Sering will have a new friends there. So there are many types of questions that comes to our mind children when we have to try, when there is a transfer. Okay. Now, as anybody in your family moved to a new place because of work? Yes, my uncle has moved to Delhi because of his job. Now children, what do you feel about this change? I would feel happy as we get a chance to visit a new place. Now children, is there anyone in your class or school who has come to your school from another place? If so, talk to him or her. Now children, you choose a person who had come to your school from another place. And you asked him the following question: where has she or he come from? What was his or her old school like? What does he or she find different here? Does he or she like the changes? These questions you can ask her or him and write the answers. So this task you are going to do it on your own children. Now children, changes in two families we saw. Now we are going to see change in third family, that is Nazli's family. It is a wedding. Now children, the change in this family is because there is a wedding. So we are going to discuss about the changes in families due to wedding. Now children, there is a great joy in Nazli's home today. Her elder cousin brother is getting married. Now children, let us talk. Do you think that there will be any change in Nazli's family after this wedding? What will change? Yes, things will change in Nazli's family after this wedding. A new member is added to the family and Nazli now has a new sister-in-law. So there is the entry of a new member in their family after this wedding. Do you think there will be change in the home from where the new bride has come? What kinds of changes? Of course, yes, there will be changes in the home from where the new bride has come. The family members of her family will miss her a lot. They will do the work that she had been doing in her family. Children, so far we have seen what happened in Nazli's family. Now we are going to see what are your experiences when you come across a wedding in your family. Now children, talk to your father, talk to your mother and aunts in the family. Ask them about where they lived before they got married. You can, who were the members in their family then? Has anybody in your family been married recently? Now children, and who got married recently? Now children, talk to your classmates and write all about what happened during weddings in their families. Now what kind of talk you can have with your friends? What kind of special food was cooked in the marriage? So you have to write that special food. Now children, what special clothes do the bride and the bridegroom wear? So we have to write all this. What kind of songs and dances are performed at weddings? So you have to discuss with your classmates and write down all these things. Now children, what did you see at the wedding you attended? Draw some pictures in your notebook. Then look at the pictures drawn by your classmate. Now children, we saw changes taking place in the families of Nimmi, Serings and Nazli because of different reasons. Now write down the reasons for these changes. In Nimmi's family, what were the changes? What were the reasons for the changes? In Nimmi's family, change happened due to the birth of her baby sister. In Sering's family, there was a change due to the transfer of his father to a new city. Now children, what were the reasons for the change in Nazli's family? In Nazli's family, there was a change due to the marriage of her elder cousin brother. Now children, there are many reasons for changes in families. Can you think of some more reasons? Yes, the reasons are higher education, job transfer, business purposes. So all these are the reasons to have changes in family. Now children, we will stop here and we will continue the further in the next video. Till then, bye children. Have a nice time.